Hey guys, and welcome to CTFX School of Trading. I wanted to thank you for taking the time out to watch this very brief and very informative webinar. I hope you learned something from it and take into consideration everything I'm about to tell you. Firstly, if you're using your phone, try to expand it so that you can see it nicely. If not, then I suggest you use a laptop or a PC so that you can see basically the entire presentation clearly. All right, so let's begin. I want to give you a very short overview or breakdown of Forex and what it's all about, without going into too much technical jargon, which will only confuse you probably. Instead, I'll give you something to imagine. Okay, so in comparison, let's see the difference here between the Forex market and the New York Stock Exchange. Look at it this way. Think about stocks and commodities on the New York Stock Exchange. And when I say stocks and commodities, I'm talking about grain, oil, beef, cotton, and even your everyday living items. Everything that you can think of which is imported or exported across the world. Its value is traded every day on the global stock market. Prices go up as the demand increases and prices fluctuates as the supply decreases. This is traded about 7.5 hours a day. Now, the world currencies on the Forex market, like for example Euro, US dollar, Great British Pound, the Japanese Yen, just to name a few which I'm sure you've probably heard of before. The value of these currencies are traded very much the same way on a global digital market over the internet for 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And these are traded very much like stocks and commodities. The only difference is the prices move and fluctuate at a much higher speed during the day than stocks or commodity prices. In short, as a currency trader, this means it's easier to benefit from these daily, hourly, or even 15-minute moves, depending on what time of the day you decide to trade and if you know what you are doing. Right, let's look at the Euro-US dollar chart. The price of the Euro against the US dollar in the first chart is going down, which is obvious because you can see it's going down. And the price in the second chart for the very next week, it's going up, which is also obvious. Now, within these movements, which is called bars or candlesticks, you are able to make a profit by simply determining whether the price is going up or whether the price is going down. You place a buy order, what is known as going long, if the price is going up, or you can place a sell order, what is known as going short, if the price is going down. You can essentially profit in either way, up or down. It sounds very simple, eh? Well, why is it so risky and why are so many people losing money instead of making money? The simple answer is they don't know what they are doing. To determine the price movements, whether to buy or sell a currency, is likely projected by a simple concept called price action. Price action is basically what you see the candles doing on a daily basis on the currency charts. Now, there's an easy way to understand price action and finding out whether to buy or sell any currency by a simple process called technical analysis. Technical analysis sounds very complicated, but it's really not. It's just a fancy term used by traders for determining which direction a currency pair is moving so that you can buy or even sell to make a profit. I'm sure the reason you are here is because you want to understand how you can make cash in on these moves within any currency chart and potentially make big money in the process. I mean, there are individuals like yourself with no real experience or no real financial formal education and who's trading full-time for a living, making hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day. And this is all trading currencies. How? It's quite simple. They invested in themselves before getting involved in Forex trading. When I say invested in themselves, I'm saying they got involved in Forex course and signed up with a trade coach or a mentor. Someone who understands what you will need to know and how to make money in these daily market moves, to learn a way to profit consistently from a currency market, instead of taking chances with your money and not knowing whether you will win or lose. Guys, think of it this way. You want to start a business, let's say a coffee shop. You will need to do your own studies about the location, the market, the going rate of a coffee in the area, and particularly the price you will sell it for. But most of all, the amount of money you need to invest and what you expect to gain in return for the investment. This concept is applied very similarly to currency trading. The currencies market is a business. It shouldn't be treated like a casino. You stand a much greater chance of gaining big returns only if you know exactly how to go about trading. It's not really that hard, but like starting any business, you will need to understand what you're getting into and how you need to apply yourself in this business. At CTFX, we have a combined experience of trading for almost 10 years. Our coaches and mentors have the knowledge to train even the average man on the street to learn how to become successful in Forex. We teach beginners courses right up to advanced strategies, and we don't actually stop there. Imagine opening up your charts, having a look at a few minutes, and knowing exactly when to sell or when to buy, and decide without a doubt how much profit you would like to make on a daily basis, whether it be $100 or even up to $500, and then taking the rest of the day off. Wouldn't that just be amazing? Well, we can show you how, but you must apply yourself and make the decision to gain the knowledge from us who knows how it's done. And that's exactly what we are here for. Like any business, you can't expect overnight success. That's not how the world works, and that's not how business works. Unless you win the lottery, of course. But this isn't the lottery. This is business, and if you respect it, it will pay you. The Forex market is a $5 trillion a day industry, and the money is there for the taking. That's if you know how. So I suggest you join in on our course and program and our mentorship system, and we will show you exactly how it's done. Our course covers everything from the beginning to an end, of finding a broker, signing up with a broker, straight into setting up your trading platform, and then from there we progress into more easy to understand advanced trading strategies. We'll teach you how to quickly profit and how to remain in profit, or basically long-term trading, which will give us long-term profits in the long run. But more importantly, how to be consistently profitable, because that's crucial in this business. If you want to remain successful in Forex trading, you need to know what needs to be known to get in and get out of a trade. Okay, so you have 3 options to learn how to trade with CTFX. For our online video courses, we have 20 video tutorial lessons going into simple detail about everything you really need to know on Forex trading. This you can do on your own time or even under a week, depending on your passion to succeed in this business. And we also do online coaching for our course students once a week, giving you the opportunity to ask questions based on the course if you're uncertain about anything. This we continue doing until you are successfully in profit consistently. Okay, so for our exclusive one-on-one coaching, we conduct over a period of 5 days. This speeds up the learning process as you will be taught personally by one of our professional coaches, which gives you the opportunity to learn much faster as it is intended to nurture you towards success in a shorter period of time. This we can do face-to-face, or if you are in close proximity of our offices, or even over the internet, which is much the same, just the access is more flexible. After the 5 days are over, your coaching will continue indefinitely until you are successful on your own. You will also have access to our members area, which is also based on online, so that you can refresh your memory at any time. Our group coaching sessions is purely dependent on location, so depending on where you are, we can always arrange a convenient location to meet up and conduct classes either over the internet or face-to-face. Talk to us about group discounts. We are happy to assist you if you are in a decent team of consisting at least about 8 people. Okay, so we even send out weekly, daily, or even hourly trade alerts directly to your cell phone so that you can either profit while you are learning or just see how we can approach the market and in real time, and you are maybe just starting out, you can pick up some tips from there. Okay, guys, it is very difficult to teach yourself how to trade Forex on your own without guidance, and in this course is by far the easiest way to learn. So save yourself the time, frustration, and even potential money loss, and rather invest in yourself first before attempting to go about doing it on your own. Remember, this is a skill like learning to ride a bike. Once you know how, it's literally impossible to unlearn it. So contact one of our trade coaches today through this website and let us guide you to consistent profits and towards a prosperous and financially abundant lifestyle. We thank you very much for joining us, and we hope to see you in classes very soon. Alright, thanks for joining us, guys. So if you already signed up, just simply go ahead to lesson number 2 and continue on with the course. And for those guys that hasn't signed up yet and are very interested to getting to know more about Forex and understand and obviously profit in Forex, please just take the details down on the screen or contact the guy that you got these details from, or whatever the case may be, and then let's get you going. Right, guys, thanks very much and enjoy and safe trading. I'll speak to you soon.